of them.
So that means I won't be able to.
Hug it.
Yeah,
Oh, national treasure.
we
can get 4 movies for $1.99.
in that as well.
Cool.
Yeah.
Can you not?
Okay, do you know how much it is?
Ooh, Pirates of the
You
Caribbean
do?
at World's End.
Okay. Yeah, it's at $187.10 now instead of that other one we were paying. Wait a minute.
$600.
So you owe me $93.55. That's it. I mean, because for the next 4 months, it's going to be $187.10 for the total tuition for the month. Yeah, but then we still have those loans afterwards, because we didn't get any grants this time.
Slow that way.
So,
There you go.
you know,
Anyway.
be happy with this, because after this, we're pretty much stumped. Well, she's going to Salem State after she's done Marion Court. Yeah. Okay. But like I said, I just got to pay the cell phone bill and the mortgage, so. All right, So I will talk to you later then. How did it go with your parents?
Ridiculous. I hear both my knees crack at once. It was epic. Awesome. I do that all the time when I bend down. Yeah, my knees crack. That's awesome. Maybe my knees are on crack. Okay.
Oh.
Get nervous and I don't burp.
Saturday?
Maybe we should take her to natural environments.
All right, then.
Take her out into the wilderness.
All right. Alright, you want to throw this shit away? Sure. Alright, Leah, you owe me $10. I'm sorry, 14. Watch
You alright?
You alright? You sure? Alright.
Have a buzz.
Danielle.
Leah.
Danielle owes you more than $14, huh?
Yeah, you need to give me $14.
4.
No, not 4, 14.
4.
For what?
Oh, the $2 each for the internet thing you still haven't gotten rid of on your phone from the downloading.
Oh.
Your, dial tone thing song. Until you get rid of that, it's going to be $4.
Okay.
So you need to get rid of that, and your texting is $20. And I said, are you listening?
Yes, I am.
And I said that I would pay half of it.
Okay.
For the first 2 months, and then you pay all 20 of it.
I know.
Okay. So you owe me $14.
You're doing TurboTax for free.
I'm going to leave this
We missed it!
right here.
Okay.
All right? Sweetness?
Okay.
Thank you.
I think I totally missed it. You got the phone.
You need to get your TurboTax too.
Wait, there's plenty of more.
Ask somebody. I think you can get the basic one, and
You have to post your stuff.
Oh, all right. Well, tell Lumpy.
That wasn't necessarily beastly.
Is this all trash?
I guess so. You can check out the Disney stuff.
I don't want Disney stuff. We're not going to Disney again.
Who says?
I said. I'm going to Hawaii before I ever do anything else.
Maybe you'll see some of my ancestors.
Doing the hula?
Yeah, stuff. I can do the hula, not really. I'm too white to do the hula. Well, I take shut that off, I'm gonna be like, oh! Which is why I'm not shutting it off, and my battery's gonna die in horrible death.
What time did you get home?
Not really a bird. I don't know, 2 something because of the bus.
Oh, you're not. I thought you said you had a half a day.
The rest of the week, I said I did have one today.
Oh. See, I listen to you like you listen to me.
That's not a good thing.
Huh?
That's not a good thing. Hi. Meow. Look at the skin. It just did that. Do you see that?
No, don't be sorry, you didn't do anything wrong.
I do everything wrong.
There's something wrong.
Oh!
That had to feel good.
Oh!
That had to feel good.
Oh man, that freaking hurt.
I don't doubt it.
Ow. Yeah, but ow. Oh, cameraman down. Cameraman down.
It's okay, I was booty bumped in.
Ow.
That was a good time.
Oh no.
Well,
Choke.
But, oh,
Oh man.
if we had wanted to... If it was Katie, would have had the seizure while he was becoming president. Just making like crazy faces. If we were just stuck with Sarah Palin.
Oh God.
I can see Russia from my house. What?
She's the center of Alaska.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's a joke.
Oh.
Katie made it funny. She like came out of nowhere. McKay like pulled her out of his ass.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me. I'm like, I didn't know how to make this ass. I didn't even know. So much gas.
Oh my God, we're so retarded. Oh, this is awesome. We want it coming out the mouth, not the butt.
No. Like the bubbles.
Leo, I'm gonna watch stuff, so
Okay.
don't forget your phone is in here.
I'm running out of space to record this here. You gotta hurry up.
You got me burping, kind of. It's all good. It's okay.
Alright. So we shall conclude this video. Goodbye.